Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading data from the ActiveCampaign CRM system to Gmail. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaign to other systems. For example, in Gmail, you can set up notifications to yourself about new deals, or send emails to customers from deals from ActiveCampaign. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the ActiveCampaign data source system. Then you need to select an action Get New Deals. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your ActiveCampaign account. Next, go to the Settings section. Next, go to the Developer section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your ActiveCampaign deal. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setting of the ActiveCampaign data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Select Gmail as the receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Email. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Now you need to assign variables from the ActiveCampaign CRM system. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. The Gmail account you connected to ApiX-Drive will be used as the sender. If you want to receive notifications of new deals on your email, then in the To Email field you can enter your email manually. Or in the To Email field, you can specify a variable with the email of the user, who will be in the drop-down list with data on the deal from ActiveCampaign. In this case, you fill in subject and body with the expectation that with each new transaction, the corresponding letter will be sent to those users whose contacts are in the transaction. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Gmail when a new deal is created. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.